In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Shopify payments for non-US citizens. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is open Shopify on your browser and make sure you're signed into your Shopify account. Then here, go ahead and click on the settings button, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then here, just go ahead and click on general, click on my store, and you would be able to set up your store. Now in here, go ahead and enter the legal business name of your store and select United States or other country eligible for Shopify payments. So in here, just enter the city and state of where your business is registered. So you need to register your Shopify store as a business under United States or any other country that allows Shopify payments to be able to activate Shopify payments for your store. So click on the save button. Now once you're done in here, just go ahead and head over to the payments section. And in here, you'll be able to find Shopify payments. So click on activate Shopify payments to be able to activate it. Now here is the information that you need to submit to be able to activate and set up Shopify payments for your store. So in here, just go ahead and select the type of store that you're running. It can be an individual, a registered business, or a non-profit. You need to select the type of business that you have and click on the next button to head over to the next section. Now, in this page, you'll need to enter a few things about your business, such as your business type, your business details, your store details, along with your account representative and equity details. So, at the end of these steps, you'll be able to find review to review all the information that you've entered on this section and check if all of the information entered are correct. Now, if you have all the information and document required by Shopify to be able to enable Shopify payments, you immediately be able to enable Shopify payments for your store. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.